Shirdi Sai Baba, my channel, which is Jaya Advani Occultist 1973, which I have been functioning on. Shirdi Sai Baba, are you with me as of now? So my channel Jaya Advani Occultist 1973, which someone has someone been siphoning off my content? Someone has been stealing my content? Would you like me to shut down my channel? You want me to delete this account completely? The stealer will be booked for stealing for lakhs of years to come, with a lot of lack in their lifetimes. ये जो चैप्टर ये जो थ्रो हम करते हैं, this throw that we do where you are giving the advice about what is what, at the same time you book the miscreants. ये जो वाणी जो निकलता है हमारे जो थ्रोज के साथ जो होता है, that is you actually real time booking people as the throw goes on, connected with the situations that keep coming up. This is not really prophesizing. This is you putting into place every wrong action done by all those mentioned. During the throw, this is what you've been doing since 2020 end. Real time booking all the miscreants and those who've been wrong, basically writing their future Akashic records for them. You've been basically using this to write the Akashic records, good or bad, for every person that and every situation that you have brought up in the throw. So the one who has stolen the content has been booked big time for how many thousands of years? 426,000 years minimum, 840, 8400,000 births in the future. Is it a birth of poverty of the highest kind, maybe not even an earthly body or an earthly existence? That job is over and done with. Okay, so if that job is over and done with, it is my idea that I feel कि जो काम करना था, जिन लोगों को नेट करना था, वो हो चुका है. That's finished and over with. By the way, I better look like how I look, because if I don't look like how I'm looking and you bring your ugly face over mine, then there's a big problem for you going forward. Understood, you bloody bitch? Useless defunct shit. Learn to earn your own. I am the owner of Jaya Advani Occultist 1973, the channel. Whoever's done the stealing of content, you're down shit creek. It's over for you. सुन कुत्रिया, खुद का काम कर. So since I've got the thing to go ahead and delete the channel, I'm deleting it. So I'm going to start with the session now. I'm going to continue with the session that I did earlier. Okay. The fourth part is being uploaded as of now. We're going for the fifth part. What struck me a little strange was about an IOL lab. So that's what I'm going to try finding. Okay, I thought I was going to put this to an end and start with something new. But that IOL lab is very important. It is connected with biotechnological war for sure, of some kind. Either there the army is training and experimenting to find out, how to counteract it, but they haven't taken my permission. Why is one part of my mouth, why is this lopsided? I don't know. Mouth I don't have. I got straight mouth. Straight in dealing, darling, and straight mouth. I don't like lopsided stuff. And I don't like people who steal. I don't. Okay? So anyway, we're continuing with the session. This is how I keep my Scrabble pieces. It's already been, we've already finished about 4 sessions, right? So we're going to put this out over here. This is the previous read. The question is, what is Shirdi Sai Baba? What is Shirdi Sai Baba giving us advice? Okay, what is it that Shirdi Sai Baba, just to read out the question very properly, Sai, what needs to be looked at during the next 6 months to deal with whatever it is he indicated is the trend of things on the back of events that have already happened. It involved the United Nations and it involved the ED. It involves Indian online broadband and the Indian government. It involves the Indian army or then army just worldwide. It involves RAW. It is very sad because my reads used to pick up only ISI, and I say, then where the hell is RAW? What is RAW doing? So I would really appreciate if somebody from RAW or somebody from the ED on the Indian side of things, if somebody can tap into what I am doing. I wouldn't like you to hang around my neck all the time, because then this will not happen. I need somebody from the Indian side of things to listen into me impromptu, because there is a huge timeline, and I think I am the only witness kind of thing who is piecing things from every angle of the timeline. How do you come to know who I am? Somebody broke into my house and cut my hands this way while I was sleeping. They also stole money twice. So the whole point is, it's not about me imagining. It is about me being a witness. I'm also that child whose inoculation was not given on my arms. The inoculation that children are given, it was not given on my arms. It was given on my foot, under my foot. It's called I don't know what that is called. It becomes so big. Like everybody had this on their arm, right? I don't know if you were marking the Indians as the chakra, because that's what it ends up becoming when we become big. They're like this big round chakra on all the women's hands. I've seen it on so many of them. So I wasn't given it. I was given under my foot as a toddler. So you have to give me some explanation, or you should be able to tap into the resource. You know what the problem is? The baby boomers probably knew what was what. It is the younger crowd that has joined the services that probably don't know what is what, and on the back of it there's been a lot of confusion that has been created. Now, it is okay to create confusion if it's going to get you something that is good. But if it is not going to get you something good, and it is going to come in the way of your job, then I think you should actually revisit your source, your motivation, and a whole lot of things. Okay? My name is Jaya Kanayalal Hakumatrai Advani. My father ran a company called Kani and Company, and before that Ekji Advani and Company, which is his father and his grandfather, my great-grandfather's name involved over there. Okay? That business did not do well in the 60s and the 50s. My granddad was not good at it. He was a zamindar and he came from over the border. He was used to just workers working in his fields probably, and that didn't work. In India, for him, business didn't work. My father overtook the business simply because he was not getting a job, and he became successful, at least earning good money after some time, and that was more I think during the latter, I would say half of 60 onwards. And so he planned his life, and he was a very responsible person. And whatever he has done well. He's done very well, in fact. So he is Mr. Kanhaiya Advani for records, lawful financial records, but he is Mr. Kani Advani at home. Okay. So his sister is Kailash Advani. She was Mrs. Kailash Hingorani after she got married to Bene's MD called Mr. Mohan Hingorani. Then she got widowed, and then she married Mr. Malia, Vital Malia. But there's a huge heist on the back of it going forward. Sometime after 1980, I think something went wrong in Bombay. 1986. Who is involved? My readings are pointing out to a particular direction, and I'm not surprised. How to sort it without being biased? Because you keep doing Advait. So when you are dispensing justice, finding crime and criminal, you got to apply it there fully. What you tend to do is, you tend to have a soft hat. And it comes in the way of finding crime and criminal, because your job is not to do that. Your job is to find out what exactly was wrong and to address it accordingly. So far, on the back of whatever has happened and whatever your source has been, it has put you in the opposite direction of what you had to do actually. So if you use me as a center point and as a witness who says, okay, this is the event, these are the events in my life, and connected to these people. That way we go through an entire timeline. You'll be shown the light of where you need to actually look, then do further investigation in that direction, and further investigation and further investigation. You will find every case connected with my family. You will find the culprits in every case. For that, you should be willing to come forward. Meet me face to face. What I look like on TV on this video and who I am, I don't know. There may be a big difference between the two of them. You remember I got hurt over here? Now it is settled a little. This is what keeps happening on my hand. Who's trying to steal my identity from me all the time? You see this? What is this? It had gone in between, again it has come. What is all this? So someone has been diligently trying to get rid of me ever since 1997, I feel. Ever since I came back from Australia QUT. 1997. I've been having accident after accident for no rhyme or reason. Either something bangs into me, or then someone pushes me. So somebody has a vested interest. What is this vested interest? I don't understand. Well, I have been kept aside from the time I was pretty young and differentiated on. What is the reason for it? Also, if you have created people with my identity for something that I don't know what it is, but if you have done that, then you need to find who it is who's done such a thing. Right? So anyway, I'm closing this over here as the introduction, and we will continue now in silent mode for all the words that come out. You must not play sounds from my body. That's very cheap. Right? I don't belong to a family where you play sounds on me. I play the sounds, and I don't do it in a sneaky, cheap manner. I do it openly. पूरे हक से एम्प्लॉयर बन के अगर हमको करना है. लेकिन even then I don't do that. I would suggest you get your shit together and don't screw around when it comes to me. I will create hell for you. Next 426,000 years. सुदामा तो थोड़ा चना खा के भागा था. तुमने तो क्या ऊपर नीचे किया है. सुदामा के अगेंस्ट तुम जैसे चोरों को उठाऊं और लगाऊं. 4,27,000 साल कम न पड़े तुमको वापस जो चोरी का माल है वापस करने के लिए. How dare you? Don't talk in my ear. You want to talk, you want to prove something's wrong with me? तो वहां पे you know what will happen? If you speak in my ear, you plug my ear to cover your crimes of past because you want to take something which doesn't make sense. तो वहां पे भी तुमको हाथ लात नसीब भी खिलाएगा आउटर प्लैनेट्स में. You will not even get a body of a कीड़ा मकोड़ा मलेरिया पलेरिया वाला देने वाला वो मस्कीटो, वो भी तुमको नहीं मिलेगा. You'll come as a, I don't know, substandard microbe in the outer planets. और तुमको पता है 8400,000 बर्थ्स कितना होता है? काउंट इट, यू इलिटरेट. गिनो उधर जीरोस कितना होता है? 8 and 4, 0 0 and then 3 more zeros after that. टोटल जो होता है 84. इधर हमको ना कॉकाइड माउथ नहीं देना है. दैट्स नॉट माई माउथ. आई गॉट straight lips. Teeth in the bottom. And straight teeth in the top. In there. Inside my mouth. On my mouth nahi hai. Inside. Have to show. I have to show you every part of my body. क्योंकि ये जो है ये इतना चोरी कर दिया है, पता नहीं कौन है ये, इसको चाहिए क्या पता नहीं. I don't know what she wants. And whoever did my eyebrows, एक ऊपर किया और एक नीचे किया, cockeyed. Understand? Count the zeros. 8 and 4 and then 5 zeros after that. You will have to go back to the bottom part of the birth. And you'll have to restart. 84 and then after that 5 zeros. उतने साल के लिए, तो उतने जन्म, साल तो नहीं है, maybe far more than that. After all, if you come in one human body, it is 100 years, 50 years. अब doddering, पता नहीं क्या है, the environment outside, तो ना घिस घिस के. First you will have to come in those births, जितना झूठ तुम्हारे मुंह से निकले, उतना तुमको खाना है. That is the reason when my mom has brought me up ना, बोले कुछ भी होवे झूठ बिल्कुल नहीं बोलना है. Don't lie. Little time of discomfort is well worth it, but do not get into this habit of lying. Don't do it. बिल्कुल मत जाओ. और जो किसी और का है वहाँ पे आंख भी नहीं जाना चाहिए. You should not even show your eyes over there. नहीं तो शनि का दृष्टि तो तुम्हारे ऊपर है. That's not nice to deal with in the after effects. You understand? Samjhe? And when it comes to my education, my father bust his backside making so much money ताकि he can hire the secretary, hire the driver who worked at my home for more than 15 to 20 years in and around that much time, with all the staff required at my home to look after my sister and me. That's not what I am. वो जो मार्था का जो नाम यहाँ पे है, she was hired to look after my younger sister Varsha. She looked after Varsha. There was another woman who was hired to look after me. So the two of them used to take us down to play and to Esso Garden. Once it so happened that they took us to the garden and these two fought. One of them fought with the driver, Muthuswamy. Fought with him and there was this barrage of bad words given between them. In our compound at Forge Aswell 9 New Marine Lines. The Forge Aswell 9 New Marine Lines is on the first floor. The fight happened on the ground floor when the car came into the compound. And I still remember, this aggression, because even if she's angry, she's going to hold you a little tight and, kind of pull you because they are fighting. And then the word halkat was used. There's this screaming match between the two of them. Okay? And I still remember then we were taken up. Next day, she and the other woman left because he threatened to murder her and something. So the two of them left my mother high and dry with 2 children again. My mother had hired 2 people to look after the 2 children. The 2 left, leaving my mother again high and dry with 2 children. So Rosie used to get caught on this. Rosie Fernandez, who used to be the secretary for my father in the home office. Secretary for my father is Rosie, but Rosie's mother used to work for my grandmother in the kitchen. My mother was still not married. My mother came in later on. So when my grandfather was alive and my grandmother was alive, Kalavati Hukumat Rai Advani and Mr. Hukumat Rai Advani. Mr. Hukumat Rai Advani died of ulcers. Okay, so these are the things. This is my background. Later on, Muthuswamy got paralyzed, so I don't know if Martha is the one who did something, because there is some connect in my read. You have to read it where the name Martha and other names are enjoined with it. You need to figure it out and figure it out for yourself. I am not saying anything except for events that already happened in my home. Don't show froggy lips and don't show Bugs Bunny teeth. Okay? I don't have Bugs Bunny teeth. God's been kind. Yahan hai, yahan niche, maybe. But no tambaku. None of that. Okay? So you need to send, Raw needs to send somebody over here along with the Indian police and the Indian ED and the CID and the CBI and whatever it is. You need to actually sit down to figure this one out. Otherwise क्या है, धर्मा कर्मा में इतना जो है ना गैप इतना बड़ा है, तो वो जो होल जो होता है ना वो अच्छा होल नहीं होता है where it takes you. तो for your own good I am saying, I am a simple citizen. हम यहाँ पे इंडियन सिटीज़न है, दैट्स अबाउट इट. इंडियन सिटीज़न बनने के अलावा हमारा कोई काम ही नहीं है. तो गुड इंडियन सिटीज़न होता है वो जो सच्चाई बोलता है, ताकि जिनको ये सॉर्ट करना है वो आके काम करे अकॉर्डिंग टू वट एवर इट इज़ यू टेकन इन योर हैंड. इन माई केस इट इज़ टू इंश्योर कि जो कोई भी हमारे बैकग्राउंड के बारे कुछ बकवास करे, मेरा ड्यूटी होता है, मेरा ग्रैंड फादर फ्रॉम माई फादर साइड एंड माई मदर साइड, आई मस्ट इस्टेब्लिश वॉट इज़ वॉट. वो मेरा ड्यूटी होता है. ऑल राइट. एंड ऑल्सो बी अ गुड इंडियन सिटीजन, ताकि जो कुछ भी है you should be able to figure it out. Yes, I went to Maria, I went to Nangre, and I went to the cyber cell also, all the way from 2006 to 2010 before I left for New Zealand to do diploma in marketing at University of Waikato. वहाँ पे भी पता नहीं किसने strings क्या पुल करके हमको, I don't know what they try to do with me. वहाँ पे 23 lakhs खर्च करूँ और हमको क्या मिला रिटर्न में? All foul play by who, I can't understand what you will get out of it. Yeah, useless. Going back to my baby time, my father bust his backside making enough money to send me to Shellam School, preschool. Okay? And then from there to Mrs. Menda to study for what? Cathedral entrance exam, which I, as usual, very successful in life, great grand failure. Okay. After that I joined Fort Convent preschool, first flunking the exam, then passing it the second time, and then for 12 years I studied at Fort Convent of Jesus and Mary and Nathalal Parekh Marg. Okay, वहाँ पे nuns चलाते हैं, वो झूठ ज़्यादा नहीं बोलते हैं. They don't tell lies. They are straightforward people. The crowd also generally is straightforward. After that, I went to HR college. I got 5 years of BCom, economics and accountancy. Then after that, I worked at Times. For how long? 1.5 years. Go check with that PD. Prakash D'Souza, Mr. Varghese, Sujoy Ghosh, Mr. Khaitan, and Mr. Guha. Go check. No, go do it. Go and check it out. एक शोम भी था वहाँ पे, रूपा भी थी वहाँ पे, अर्चना मित्रा भी थी वहाँ पे. जाओ वो लोग को चेक करो. सावंत भी थे. Lots of people. Go check with them. After that I went to Queensland University of Technology. वहाँ पे I did 1.5 years. But from that time onwards, I don't know, 1997, everything's gone haywire. पता नहीं क्या है, और ये settle ही नहीं हो रहा है. It just keeps going on and on and on and on. I don't understand what it is. You cannot wipe out my life because you think you can do it. You play dirty, don't play it with me. You understood? And don't steal my stuff. You don't have the rights to. तुम्हारे पास right बिल्कुल नहीं है. Okay? तुमको body suit पहनना है, jump into Donald Duck, Mickey Mouse, whatever the hell you want. But don't take other people's God-given birth identity. Don't do that.